In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play split-screen Minecraft PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up split screen on Minecraft Java on PC. You will be able to use it for any version, so newer ones like 1.21 or older versions, as long as you download the ModRanf app. So natively, unfortunately, Minecraft does not feature native split screen, so you will not be able to just connect the controller, get inside of a world, and start playing. You will have to use mods. So download ModRanf for Windows or any other operating system, and once you have ModRanf, this is what you are going to see. You will have a library with all of the instances that you've created, for example 1.21 and so on. And if you have never used this, the very first thing that you have to do is click the plus sign at the left over here and then create the instance. So you will create one for player 1, so you can name this accordingly if you want to, and then choose Fabric. So you have to use Fabric for this method. Select the game version. This can be any of the versions where Fabric is available, as long as you are able to run it. So I always use 1.21 as an example. And then you will be able to click on that specific instance that you've created. When you click on the instance, you will find the option to install mods. The very first thing that I recommend is Sodium. This will improve performance by a lot. If you have never used this, it is essentially like Optifine, which most people should be familiar with. And then you have to install Controlify, because you will need controller support, so grab an additional controller. And you can have both players play on controller, or one player on controller and another one on keyboard. Afterwards, download OffMe. Because most people will be doing this with a single Minecraft account, you need to use this to play offline. Now, your instance for player 1 should have all of these mods. What you can do is duplicate this instance. So either create a new one and manually do it, or click the settings and then go into the duplicate option. So duplicate this instance. Both instances should have most of these mods displayed here. So Fabric, Controlify, Sodium, and OffMe. This one should be automatically installed. Now, if you aren't going to play using a controller, at least for one of the players, you can disable this mod. So just click on this toggle to disable it if you want to use a keyboard. Now, launch both instances simultaneously. If you notice that the keyboard is not working on the controller instance, so the one that has Controlify enabled, go to Controls in the Options, Controller Settings, then Global Settings, and in here you will be able to enable and disable out of focus input. So make sure that you change this setting if you cannot control the keyboard side of things. Upon changing this, keyboard should work as normal. So you will have one instance on the left side of the screen and another one on the right. And with this done, you can go over to Single Player, choose the option to play offline, so you will see this icon from the OffMe mod. Choose the option to do an offline login, and then give a name to player 1 and player 2. You can use whichever name you want. It doesn't matter. You don't need a password. After you give each player their names, go over to single player, start a LAN world, and player 2 will be able to join by going to multiplayer, and the world should appear because both of you are on the same network. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft split screen on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.